so today I'm going to show you how to plant our potted strawberry plants. So this one is strawberry honey oak, and you get 3 of those in the pack, and they come like this, and these are already in flower, so that's a good sign. You can plant these straight into the ground, so they need to be spaced about 30 centimetres apart, but for sort of tutorial's sake I'm going to show you how to do it in a pot. So I'm going to fill this with multi-purpose compost, and then I'll just show you how to plant it in here. If you have quite a big pot at home, you could probably get away with putting all 3 of them in here, just so you don't have loads of pots of strawberries about. Or if you've got those terracotta strawberry pots where you can plant them in the sides, you can use those as well, and then you've got all your strawberries in one place then. Okay, so I filled this with multi-purpose compost now, so I'm just going to use the pot that it comes in to make a hole, and then I'm going to fill it around it with more compost. Okay, and then I'm just going to take the pot out, and then it leaves a little hole where the plant was, so you can just pop it straight in like that, and then press all the compost around, and then you're all done then. And then just pop that in the garden. You can top it with grit if you want, just to prevent any damage from slugs and snails. Yeah, and just keep it well watered, and that'll start producing strawberries.